S202 behind me. And CSX Q370 eastbound. Down there is Q370. Okay, now he's backing up through the switch, a couple onto that car there, trying to get the last two derailed cars back on the rail.
What's going on down here?
Looks like they coupled onto another car down there,
So they
and
moved all the
yeah, they're gonna.
good ones further down. Then
Yeah.
they brought the engine up, and they're going to try to pull another one out.
Yep.
And then they're going to just push it back to if it works.
Yep. They're just gonna re-rail them one by one.
Yeah, well, that's annoying to do.
Yeah.
Now, you got this train here ready to go. And it's over in is that Daniels? Where he's at now.
Oh, this train here?
Yes.
Oh, this is Shenandoah Junction.
And where's Daniels?
Next signal after here if you're heading south. Yeah, I definitely heard the EOT go off like crazy, and I figured that would be another thing. Is there another train on this? And I saw this down here.
Alright. Alright, well, is there one coming south?
Probably. I'm definitely thinking that's what he's waiting for.
But you don't see anything on
I can't even get onto the ATCS while I'm recording. Otherwise, it'll end the recording where it is right now.
there. Is it recording now?
Yeah.
But this is a lot of time and not much is going on.
I kind of paused it a couple of times.
Well, it sounded like he was gearing the engine up there, didn't he?
Yeah. Getting it up to notch 8 so he can get the car to get back on the rails.
Okay.
That's what they usually do.
How do you know this?
I've seen a couple of videos on YouTube about that. I think they did it with a steam engine before as well.
It doesn't look like they're unloading anything down there. Maybe they unloaded everything. And maybe the one car didn't have anything in it because it was the back end.
Yeah.